The unprovoked and reckless Indian hostility directed towards Pakistan after an unfortunate incident in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir was yet another attempt to destabilize regional peace. The world witnessed the steadfast resolve of our valiant armed forces under the able leadership of the Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir and the unyielding spirit of our resilient people who stood firm in the face of provocation and responded with exemplary courage and professionalism. While the threat of natural climate-induced changes remains formidable, we are now witnessing a new and alarming trend with India's weaponization of water, India's illegal attempt to defy the World Bank negotiated Indus Water Treaty, as well as its blatant disregard for the recent ruling of the Permanent Court of Arbitration are completely unacceptable and we reject it with contempt. Waters of the Indus are the lifeline for Pakistan's 240 million people. Under no circumstances can India be permitted to pursue this dangerous path that will amount to an act of aggression against people of Pakistan.